The Curbside Conference, we've got a place over in Long Beach, Hyatt Hotel. We've got fantastic speakers. Both of you will be presenting there. So we're excited on that, on how to scale your business and grow it. And I was just curious because you've been to a lot of different wash and fold conferences and you've got to travel to go there and you're meeting other laundry owners. What do you get out of the conferences?
Well, because we meet like-minded individuals who are trying to grow and scale their businesses as well. And if we can meet just one person or pick up one nugget while we're there, it's huge. I'll give you an example. When we went to the Clean Show, we met Randy Roberts and Paul Spence. They've become very good friends of ours. We're constantly talking to them. We've gone to the Wash Dry Fold Conference. Very good. We've learned a lot. We see what struggles people are having. We can knock off ideas on one another. And plus, I like to go out and have a drink and have a good time and meet a lot of people in our business.
For me, it gives me the opportunity to go out and meet other laundry owners. And there's not very many female laundry owners. So conferences do tend to bring those out. And I love meeting other women in the business and rolling our ideals around each other and meeting new friends and gaining new friendships.
A number of our speakers, yourself, Colleen Unuma with Brio Laundry, and we have two other speakers, Stephanie and Claudia with We Wash. They started a pickup and delivery service without a laundromat. And something I noticed with a lot of the women who I've interviewed in the laundry business is I find they are the best at branding because they are connecting with the customer. What is branding? It's really how do you connect with the customer? How do you tell them who you are and how you could help them?
I like seeing the lineup you have. I'm very excited. It's laundromat people talking laundromat stuff and really what we really care about. That's what's different about your show compared to the others I've gone to. I know you have a TED Talk. That's great. That guy's going to be unbelievable. I've already looked up his bio. And the rest of your lineup is amazing because it's people who have started from the grassroots. You've got them all over, an array of speakers that do all sorts of, that come from everywhere. And it's great. I love it.
We're laundry owners. We build software for laundry owners. And this conference is laundry owners for laundry owners as well. Those are really the stars of the show. People are successful, their journey. And we want it just packed with stuff people are writing down of what I could take from what I learned from the speakers and how I could apply that to my own business. And it's going to be action-packed. This conference is open for everybody. Curbside clients, non-curbside clients. This is for anyone interested in wash and fold and pickup and delivery. You may already be doing pickup and delivery. You may be thinking about doing pickup and delivery, but this is going to have something for everybody.